Hello everybody, in this video we are going to teach you how to do our paper airplane. One airplane like this. This is amazing, man. This is a great video and I hope that you enjoy my video.
Let's go, man.
Well, the first thing we have to do is fold our paste on the center like this. You need to have your paste like this. Second step is to fold our paste on the top on the paste like this. You need to do this form. Like this. Next is fold or paste on the center in this part like this. Well, we have a letter. It's similar to formal letter. Well, the next tip is to fold or paste on this part. Like this. And the second thing is to do the same on the other part. Like this. Well, we have the form the airplane. The next is fold this part of here like this. We are doing similar like the bottom of here. And the next step is fold this part on the center like this. Wow, we have, I don't know what it is for like this, but well, to can make the wings of the airplane, you need to fold this part over here like this. Oh, our airplane is taking form. Yes, and you need to repeat the step on the other side like this. Well, and the finished step is to finish the airplane, we need to open our surprise and magically, wow, we have our airplane. It's amazing, man. It's amazing airplane. Now it's time to see how our airplanes fly. Well, do it. We have the second airplane. Woohoo! And it's all. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you get blessings.